Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by using a simple 5-step framework to systemize your business within 90 days. Define goals and outcomes for each area in measurable terms. Map workflows visually so any team member can follow each step. Document 3 core roles and their primary responsibilities to reduce confusion and overlap. Choose tools that support automation and clear handoffs between steps. Assign an owner for each process to maintain accountability and ongoing improvements. Write clear step-by-step procedures with screenshots and estimated times for each task. Include decision points and inputs so work does not stall between handoffs. Automate repetitive tasks using tools that save at least 20% time per task. Integrate notifications and templates to reduce manual work and errors. Store processes centrally with version control so everyone accesses the latest copy. Schedule a formal review every 90 days to iterate and improve. Train teams using short learning modules and assess competency with simple checklists. Use role-based shadowing and a 1-week transition before independent work begins. Measure outcomes with KPIs such as cycle time, error rate, and revenue per process. Review metrics weekly at first, then monthly to maintain momentum and spot problems early. Scale proven processes by delegating ownership and adding capacity within 30 to 90 days. Maintain a continuous improvement habit and celebrate measurable wins.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.